Does toothpaste really remove blackheads? Using toothpaste is really effective for removing blackheads. You should follow this given method to know more methods for blackhead removal and know proper diet and exercise. Mint toothpaste. Mint toothpaste is considered to be very helpful in clearing blackheads. The mint in the toothpaste will open up your clogged pores and also kill any bacteria that may be present. The ice cube rub in the end will close your pores and prevent future blackheads. Step 1. Apply some toothpaste on your nose and let it dry for 5 minutes. Step 2. Now, apply a few drops of water and massage in circular motions for a few minutes. Step 3. Rinse with water and rub an ice cube over the area. Note: repeat this every day. Make sure to moisturize your skin well after using this remedy. Exfoliate with natural skin scrubs based on sugar, salt or finely ground grains, nuts or seeds. Exfoliating scrubs remove dead skin cells through abrasion. All of these ingredients are effective as a body scrub, but salt is too abrasive and drying for facial skin. Avoid using scrubs that contain pulverized nutshells or fruit pits, which can have sharp edges on delicate facial skin as well. Whatever type of scrub you choose, use a light touch to avoid irritating sensitive skin. Wear your fruit enzyme exfoliants. Natural enzymes found in papaya papain and pineapple bromelain act as exfoliants by dissolving dead cells on the skin surface. After just one treatment, your skin will be noticeably softer and smoother. Papaya and pineapple enzyme masks and peels are usually gentle enough for all skin types, but can occasionally irritate sensitive skin. Fruit enzyme exfoliants can be used as part of a weekly facial treatment or daily to help rejuvenate mature skin. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.